Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's talk about food and weight loss. One of the biggest myths out there is that you have to give up all the foods you love to lose weight. That couldn't be further from the truth. Choosing the right foods is key to shedding those extra pounds and feeling your best. We're diving into my top 10 healthy food picks that are not only delicious but can actually help you on your weight loss journey. These are foods I eat myself and recommend to my patients. Make sure you check out the link in the description for a free report on losing weight quickly and naturally. First up, we've got avocado. Some people shy away from avocados because they're high in fat, but it's important to remember not all fats are created equal. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that can help you feel fuller for longer. Plus, avocados are packed with fiber, another nutrient that aids in weight management. Try adding some slices to your salads, spreading it on toast, or making a delicious guacamole. Next up is Greek yogurt, one of my all-time favorite foods. Greek yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse, especially for weight loss. It's packed with protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied, essential when cutting calories. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion. Look for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Let's talk about quinoa. Quinoa is a fantastic alternative to refined grains like white rice and pasta. It's gluten-free and a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Quinoa is also a great source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. Try swapping out your regular rice or couscous for quinoa for a healthy and delicious twist. It's perfect for vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. Berries are like nature's candy. They're naturally sweet, low in calories, and bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, aiding in weight management. Berries are packed with fiber and water, which help you feel fuller for longer. Enjoy a handful of berries as a snack, or add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Let's talk about leafy greens. Don't underestimate the power of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce. These nutritional powerhouses are low in calories but incredibly high in nutrients. Leafy greens add volume to your meals, meaning you can eat a larger portion without consuming a lot of calories. Try adding a handful of spinach to your smoothies, bulking up your salads, or sautéing them as a side dish. Let's talk about salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that's packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s offer a whole host of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Omega-3s can also aid in weight loss by regulating appetite hormones, making you feel more satisfied after meals. Aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. Let's talk about nuts. Nuts can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. While they are calorie-dense, the key is portion control. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which work together to keep you feeling satisfied and full. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic addition to any weight loss diet. They're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eggs are high in protein, which keeps us feeling full and satisfied, essential for managing calorie intake. They're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic addition to a healthy diet, especially for weight loss. They're an excellent source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Let's talk about green tea. Green tea is packed with health benefits, including potential weight loss benefits. It contains catechins, which boost metabolism and increase fat burning. So there you have it, my top 10 go-to healthy foods for weight loss. Remember, making sustainable lifestyle changes is key to reaching your weight loss goals. Don't forget to download my free report linked in the description box below for more valuable information. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay healthy.